first graders. So remember yesterday, Hansel and Gretel decided to mark every 10th step with a pebble. So it was easier to find their way home through the woods. But they have a problem today. So let's look at this page with a fork in the road. A fork in the road, they have to decide if they're going to go to the left or to the right. What if they couldn't see their pebble? Which way would they know to go? What do you think they should do? They could go down one path, and if they didn't see their pebble, they could turn around and then go the other way. But what about if they started and then they got lost? Hmm. Yeah, they could make a sign. What else? Well, here's what Hansel and Gretel decided to do. They decided that every 10 steps might be too far. So maybe they should put a pine cone halfway in between every pebble. That way, if they started to walk down a path, there'd be something else to see and they wouldn't get lost. So here's their path where they have the pebbles. And then in the middle, they started to put their pine cones. So here was their first pebble when they walked 10 steps. So what would we put for this pebble? What number would we put in this box? That's right, 20, because the pebbles were counting by tens. 10, 20. That's right, that one would be 30. But now we have some pine cones. What numbers would go in those boxes? Let's try counting. 10, 15, 20. What are we counting by now? Okay, let's take a look. 10, 20, 30, 40. That's right. So then let's put the pine cones in. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. What's this? Did you get 45? Good for you. Let's keep going. What would this pine cone be? Here's another clue. And another clue. Do you get it? What is it? Did you get 65? Good for you. Count it all. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Now get your student work page. Do you notice everything with a pebble has a 0 in the ones place, and everything with a pine cone has a 5 in the ones place? Let's fill out this paper. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Awesome. Okay, part B. If this one is 35, let's subtract 5 and see what we're starting on. It's a pebble, so it's going to have a 0 in the tens place. What could it be? 30, that's right. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. We're on track. 75, 80. It still checks out. 85. Okay, let's see. Start at 60 now. 60. What is it? 115. You got it. All right, count by fives and fill in the missing numbers. I did the first one for you. Start at 10 plus 5. 15, 20, 25, 30. Now start at 35. 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, now start at 65. 65, 75. Last one's a little bit tricky. What would 105 take away 5 be? Oh, just 100? Can you figure out from here what the rest of them are? Okay, now we got to take away 5. Count backwards by 5. Start at 100. Take away 5. 95. Take away another 5. You're at 90. Keep going backwards. Start at 50. Start at 90. Keep taking away 5. Where do you end up? If they go 100 steps, how many pine cones will they need? Figure out the challenge. I hope you're up for it.